Moss, mold, mildew, and algae stains can quickly take over patios, decks, and walkways, leaving outdoor spaces looking dirty and weathered. Wet and Forget Outdoor Spaces 68-ounce hose end is designed for routine maintenance of ground-level outdoor surfaces, making cleanup simple and hassle-free. There's no scrubbing, no rinsing, and no bleach. Just an easy way to maintain your outdoor areas. Before application, be sure the surface is dry and free of loose debris such as leaves or dirt. With the dial set to off, connect your garden hose to the sprayer. The fan tip is already installed to deliver wide, even coverage across ground-level surfaces. Remove the blue fan tip to activate a jet spray that reaches up to 24 feet. Before applying the cleaner, turn the dial to rinse and lightly spray nearby plants with water. Then switch the dial to clean and spray. After applying, let the surface slowly air dry. Do not rinse. If plants are accidentally sprayed, turn the dial to rinse and wet thoroughly. It's perfect for cleaning multiple surfaces in one application, such as patios, decks, walkways, wood, pavers, concrete, brick, stone, even outdoor furniture and awnings. Wet and Forget Outdoor Cleaner can be used on most outdoor materials because it's bleach-free. That means it's color safe and there's no guesswork or second step rinsing. No scrubbing, rinsing, or power washing needed. Just wet it and forget it. And the 68-ounce hose end treats up to 1,500 square feet so you can quickly clean decks, patios, and other outdoor surfaces. Wet and Forget Outdoor Spaces works with the wind and rain over time to gently remove those unsightly green and black stains caused by moss, mold, mildew, and algae. Green stains typically clean up within 1 to 2 weeks. Black stains and moss usually clean up within a few months, improving gradually with ongoing exposure to the elements. Apply Wet and Forget when the temperature is above 55 degrees and there is no rain in the forecast. Always apply to a dry surface and thoroughly saturate when spraying. Keep off sprayed surfaces until the product has fully dried. Wear eye protection, rubber gloves, and clothes that protect your skin. Once the surface is clean, a yearly maintenance spray helps reduce new stain buildup so it's easy and affordable to maintain patios, walkways, and outdoor living areas. Trust your outdoor spaces to bleach-free cleaning. Just wet it and forget it.